Hi, good morning student friends. Welcome back to the LMS program offered by Department of Collegiate Education, Government of Karnataka. In the last session, we had a discussion on problem and solution on professional, doctor profession, advocate profession. Again, in this session also, we have one more discussion regarding problem and solution on same advocate profession. So let us move with the problem. From the following receipts and payments account of Sri Anand, a reputed lawyer of Mysore, compute his income from profession for the assessment year 2021. So that we have been given with receipts and payments account. Now please concentrate on the receipts. Arbitration fees 2,40,000. Okay, it is related to advocate. Arbitration means it is judgment fees. Okay, it is related to advocate. Legal fees, professional. Loan from bank, no. Rent from property, no. Interest on fixed deposits, no. Dividend received, no. Share of income from HEF, no. So that hardly we have two revenue, that is professional incomes here, arbitration and legal fees. And please go through the additional information because some informations will be there. So that you need to look into that. Information number 5. Gift received from clients rupees 10,000 not included in the above. Okay, so we have got gift from clients to the extent of 10,000 but not recorded in the account. So 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2,40,000 plus 36 plus 10 2,86,000 professional total of professional income. Now please concentrate on the payment side. Staff salary, professional books we need to charge depreciation at the rate of 100%. Subscription to journal, yes. Entertainment expenses, yes. Office rent, yes. Telephone charges, yes. Printing charges, yes. Electricity charges, yes. Purchase of car we need to charge depreciation at the rate of 15%. And half of car expenses pertains to personal use. Okay, so that you need to take only half. So depreciation on car, what is that? 2,50,000 into 15%. Out of that, half. And purchase of computer, we have again we need to charge depreciation 50,000 into at the rate of 60%. Car expenses 7,000. You need to take only half. Contribution to PPF, it is not professional, no. NSC purchased, no. Bar association fees, yes, it is an association related to law profession, so that it is professional expenditure. So now please go through the additional information. If look into that whether anything is left out. Half of car expenses pertain. Okay, depreciation 25% of telephone expenses pertaining to personal use. Now please concentrate. Telephone expenses 18,000. Out of that 25% is for personal, so that only 75% to be taken. Okay, so that 13,500 to be taken. Then gift received from clients. Okay, loan from bank is for personal. Okay, whatever. So that now please have a look on the solution. Professional expenditure, staff salary, depreciation on professional books, subscription to journal, entertainment expenses, office rent, telephone charges only to the extent of 75% because it is related to profession. Printing charges, electricity charges, half. Depreciation on car to the extent of half. Depreciation on computer, car expenses, that is half. Bar association fees, totally 1,68,750 is the professional expenditure. So that 2,86,000 minus 168,750, remaining 1,17,250 is the taxable income from profession. Okay, so for your more information and more problems, you can go through this. Direct law, direct taxes, law and practice, Dr. Vinod K. Singhania and Dr. Kapil Singhania, Taxman publication. Okay, we will meet you in the next session with some more problems. Thank you very much.